welcome to OlaJoe, the Crocheting Sailor. I wanted to come on today and let you all know that I wanted to show you what I got from Darn Good Yarn. Yay! Like the package says, it's here. So I wanted to go ahead and let you all take a nice little peek. As you can see, it hasn't been opened yet, and I wanted to show you and do an unboxing, and then we'll skip over to the table and we can do a review. Oh, look. Wow, this is worsted weight roving silk yarn. So let's go ahead and get into the review. Okay, we are going to go ahead and get started with this beautiful little small cake here. And this is Crimson Fire. That's what the colorway is. Worsted weight roving silk yarn. It's 50 grams and 75 yards. It's a medium weight 4. And for the knit gauge, for those needles, you will need a 4 to 5 millimeter, which is a US 7 or 9, 7 through 9. And also for the crochet hooks, you'll need a 5.5 millimeter hook to a 6.5 millimeter hook, which is a US I 9 through K. Now I went ahead and I brought out my 5.5 millimeter hook, the I hook. And I'm going to go ahead and take a little piece. Okay, I'll go ahead and chain a little bit so you can see how the yarn works up. And it's gliding over the hook. Oh, yes. And this is a clover hook, so it is really sliding through easily. Now, this type of yarn requires that you dry clean it. And keep in mind that each one of these skeins, they are handcrafted by women in India. So that's a little bit of information. If you're not familiar with Darn Good Yarn, it's a wonderful company. And I love their story behind their product. And that is an excellent selling point. So I've gone all the way down. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. There. Look at that. Worked up in no time. And this is just nice and soft. Oh my goodness, I wish you could feel this. Yes. Nice and light. So if you're interested, what I am going to do is I will put the information, a link to Darn Good Yarn in the description box. So look down there in the description box. Check out other items as well that I will have in there. I always put tidbits of information. Also, if you want to go ahead and join some of my social media, it's also in the description box as well. So I hope this review was helpful for you and you have a wonderful and blessed rest of the day.
Thank you for watching. Please click that thumbs up. Like the video. And if you haven't already, push the button that says subscribe to OlaJoe's channel, the Crochet Sailor channel. Don't forget to share the video. Subscribe to the channel.